Cedrik, if there was one thing you want people to take away from Hannover Messe, what would it be?
Look, everybody talks about AI. The question was industrial AI, which is super relevant, is we need to make it real. And I want to tell you, it's now starting and you better get into it because it's going to be super important and super disruptive.
Now, you've also been a great advocate that there is a huge opportunity for industrial AI in Europe. Where are we today?
I mean, the reality is the following. Europe really helped electrify, industrialize the world. But today, you would go to China to see some of the most advanced manufacturing in the world. And US is catching up and they're going to leapfrog the technology. So Europe really has to focus and say, look, are we taking this opportunity of this industrial AI to rewrite our economic playbook, or are we not? And the reality is we have to, because this is the only chance for us to be competitive on a worldwide basis.
Now, here all week, you have the digital twin composer, and you had Pepsi and Coin, you have Eigen engineering agent, and your non-stop innovation. I had the opportunity, I saw you were in Erlangen playing Tetris. I had the opportunity to be up there before Christmas, seeing the same packing and the humanoid demo. Why is Erlangen so important to you?
I mean, the key thing, and when I used to work in Silicon Valley, we always talked about eat your own dog food, drink your own champagne. As a French person, I say, so we have to use our technology, but we have to push the boundaries. And our factories, just to give you an overview, electronic factories make between 5 and 7% productivity every year, and between 7 and 9. And in the past, we used really the traditional lean methodology to do this.
Yeah.
We then used digital to improve it because lean was sort of taping out. And now to sort of accelerate it, we need to use AI. The only chance for us to really be able to continuously bring productivity with the 1-2% improvers is to use AI, because the rest is come to a max.
Any other technologies you're keeping an eye out for coming down the line?
So there's positive technology, the humanoids, what happened is the robotics is a big thing. The other one I also look at is cybersecurity, what is going to happen, because if cybersecurity hits us, we need to react very fast. So these are the two ones. Some are really exciting and some we need to be careful and see on how we work with that.
I'm all in on the industrial metaverse and look at the art of the possible, and people go, my God, that is incredible, I never knew you. But I'm not Siemens, where do I start?
And I start with showing them what is feasible. I have to say, we've been talking about the digital twin composer for a while. Going on with Pepsi, being at CES, we now have so many customers coming to us and say, I want that. And we're saying, hey, it looks great and we can deliver it to you. This is what we want to do. So we have to show that we can do it ourselves. The customers are doing it and they're getting excited. And they're not scared about it, but embrace it in the right way.
Well, if I may, over the years working with you, you'd often announce a product and then you'd have a beta customers. You're now announcing products and it's like, well, here's the customers that have been using it for the last 6 months.
Absolutely.
That's different.
And we're a customer ourselves.
Hey. You just need to slow down and let everyone else catch up.
No, we will not slow down, but we will make sure that we share as much as we can.
And you bring everyone with you.
Absolutely.
Come here, thanks very much.
Thank you so much, Kevin.